Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I am very excited to share with you this beautiful outdoor creation that I made. And I brought it out all the way to my backyard so that it can seem more realistic. I even placed a little patio set on real grass with a grill. You can see the little burgers on it. But we are now going to focus on this beautiful swimming pool creation. Now I am going to zoom into each piece and tell you what I used and what I did. Now we have here a double pool. We have a small pool for the children, and then we have the deeper pool for the adults. We have some patio chairs. The one on that side is a lifeguard chair, and these other two are just regular patio chairs. We even have towels. We have ladders to access the pool. We have some plants. And what else do we have? We have an umbrella over there. So why don't we take a look and zoom in? So for the pool, as you can see, there is water here. There is water in the children's pool, and there is water in the adult pool. So for the adult pool, I used a lid from Tupperware, from food. Right next to it is another little aqua color container that was kind of like from cheese and crackers that came in there. It was something like that. It was a snack that came inside that double container. That huge chair there, a little oversized, it's okay because those are the type of chairs that lifeguards use. And that is a picture frame. As you can see, it says 2x3. It's a picture frame. And I get all these little items at flea markets, thrift shops, yard sales. So I believe that this one was from a thrift shop. And it has a little towel tucked in to under one of the arms of the chair. There are plants all around. The larger plants, these are from the Dollar Tree. I have a few of them. And they look so real, especially when they blend into like the outdoors. They just look so real. Look at that. Beautiful. This little hose there, the water hose, that I got at Hobby Lobby a while back. And I had it in the package and I just opened it up. So I'm going to be placing that on the side of one of my dollhouses. Then I have some other little pieces here, like that little vase type of thing. It's like a planter. I bought it at a flea market. I bought a few of those. I think it was like $1 each. And I've made lampshades with that. So there are previous videos that I've made in the past using those pieces as lampshades. There are some more little plants. There are tiny plants there, here, all the way back here. There are some more there. And what else? Oh, and there are some more here. Those my friend Esther sent me a while back. She sent me a load of plants, and I've made miniature florists with them. And I plan to do other projects, to make other projects using those little plants. The little ladder here, the gray ladder, is from toys, from my son's toys. He's almost 28 now, but I still kept a lot of his toys, and that ladder is from that. The little doll here, she's in her bathing suit, so I thought she would be perfect for this. And then these other ladies that you see here, there are a few on the other side. They are tweezers. I'm not sure if you can notice, but they are tweezers. So they were perfect. also, in a previous video that I made, I showed you this big piece of foam. I had 2 pieces, and I told you that I was going to be creating a pool with those 2 foam pieces. So here they are. This is the project. This fence here that you see there, that was $1 at a yard sale last year. And it's very flexible. You can bend it in any of the pieces of wood. So I was able to wrap it around at least half of the pool area. Let's see what's on that side. So I showed you everything here. The little cement areas, those are little platforms that I made. They are cement, and I got those at the Dollar Tree. And they are candle burners. You can place a candle. I just have them upside down, but if I flipped it over, you would see it's just cement. That's all it is. So I am using those as platforms. So in real life, if you have a pool area, you have a cement platform and people stand on it, maybe to dive into the pool. So that's what it is. Then there's some food on the table here. Patio table that I've had for a while. I got this patio table at Hobby Lobby a while back. The little food I made. And the little tray is from my eyeshadow. That's from where it is. And I made the little pastries from clay, using paint, brown paint as chocolate. In the middle here, you see that with that umbrella? Those come in a package, and I bought that at a Dollar Power store at the party section. They sell these little umbrellas to put in your drinks, and what's holding it is a piece of modeling clay. So the modeling clay allows it to stand up. You see, it's like a little toothpick. So I poked it into the model clay, and it's holding it up nicely. Then I have a windmill here, metal windmill, also from Hobby Lobby. And over here, I'm going to show you from the other side, but you see this here? This is another fence. And I'll show you from the other side what I used for that. So I'm standing up. As you can see, I'm in my backyard here. There's that patio set with the grill right there. So let's go around to the other side of this pool area. Look how beautiful it looks. You know, in a real setting, in real life, you can design your pool area just like this. And you hear the birds in the background. And this is all real. So, on the other side where I was sitting, you can see the windmill, right? And you can see the 2 patio chairs. Those 2 patio chairs my brother gave to me a while back. And look at how perfect they are for this setting. There are some towels there inside a napkin holder that I use just for that. This napkin holder was in one of my dollhouse bathrooms, holding up the towels. So I just used it in here just for now. Then I have the little watering containers. I have those ladies again. They are tweezers, and I'm able to stand them up by poking them into the foam piece that I am using. And those little plants just tipped over just now. There's that little hose again. Oh, and as I was saying, that fence, that is the interior of a cookie package. So I bought some cookies, and you know, that's the paper that comes inside. It's like a perforated cardboard. So it looked to me like I could make a fence. And it was nice and clean, with just crumbs from the cookies, but there were not even any crumbs anyway. So it made a nice fence. So these pieces like that, and like the lid for the Tupperware, those are pieces you can find around your home. And the foam piece, as I said in my previous video, when I said what I was going to use it for, those foam pieces, you can find them from packaging. Let's say you buy a microwave or a TV. You know, if you need a smaller piece, it could be a camera that you ordered. Anything fragile that comes packaged usually comes protected. So that's where I got that big piece of foam. And underneath the pool, that is another piece of foam, and I just placed some of that pattern paper. Real pools have that pattern. I just happen to have a little sticky note pad with that pattern. That is under the lid, as you can see. You can see the sides of the lid right here. So the water is inside the lid, but is not touching the paper. The paper is underneath. The little stairs, I have a whole bunch of these little rectangles. So I just glued them together and made some steps. Well, I think that this is it. I will have to end the video here, but I will wait 1 minute so that you can really enjoy the sounds of the birds and everything else. Thank you for watching.